హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మిలాన్ హై ఫ్యాషన్లో ఉన్న కలెక్షన్స్లో కొన్ని కుర్తీస్ చూసాము. ఈ వీడియోలో మరికొన్ని కుర్తీస్, ఫీడింగ్ టాప్స్, వెస్ట్రన్ టాప్స్, ప్లాజో సెట్స్ ఇవన్నీ చూద్దామండి. ఈ షాప్ వచ్చేసి హైకోర్ట్ రోడ్, రికబ్గంజ్, హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంది. వీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్స్, హోల్సేలర్స్ అండ్ సప్లయర్స్ అండి. క్లియర్ అడ్రస్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఇస్తాను. గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో వచ్చేసి రీటైల్ సెక్షన్ ఉంటుందండి. అక్కడ సింగిల్ పీసెస్ కూడా ఇస్తారు. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా షాప్కి వెళ్ళైనా పర్చేజ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా ఆన్లైన్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఉందండి. హోల్సేల్గా కావాలంటే సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఉంటుందండి. అక్కడ ఓన్లీ హోల్సేలే ఇస్తారు. కంపల్సరీ సెట్ వైజ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉందండి. హోల్సేల్గా బల్క్లో కావాలంటే, రీటైల్గా సింగిల్ పీసెస్ కావాలన్నా కూడా కొరియర్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది. రీసెల్లర్స్కి రెగ్యులర్ అప్డేట్స్ ఉంటాయండి. ఇన్స్టా ఐడి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తానండి, మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు. రెగ్యులర్ అప్డేట్స్ ఉంటాయి. వీళ్ళ ఓన్ బ్రాండ్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి ఐకానిక్ అండి. కుర్తీస్, వెస్ట్రన్ టాప్స్, లెగ్గిన్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా వీళ్ళ ఓన్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ అండి. మిలాన్ హై ఫ్యాషన్లో కుర్తీసు, వెస్ట్రన్ టాప్స్, లెగ్గిన్స్, దుపట్టాసు, ప్లాజోసు, జెగ్గిన్స్, పటియాలాస్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయండి. ఇంకా ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి, కంపల్సరీ రిప్లై ఇస్తారు.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Asim from Milan High Fashion. As you may, be knowing me. So today I am with a new varieties which came just right now, and I will show you almost every variety: low rate, medium, fancy, plazo set, fading, and western, short, long. Everything today I will show you step by step. Everything I will show you. Give me just your few minutes. I will show you everything. And other thing I will explain. Lot of customers are worried about the address. We are located at High Court Road, Hyderabad. High Court Road, when you come on the Medina Circle, on High Court Road there is a petrol pump. Opposite that you can see a big board, Milan High Fashion. That is the only building, and you have to come over there only. So from starting rates only I will show you, but I will not say the prices of every item, but I will give you a little hint of the items. Okay. And we are the main manufacturer, wholesaler and supplier. Okay, which prices today I will show you are for the bulk prices only, and retail separate, online section available separate totally. This is not in under us only, but section department is full separate. So this one is jacket, last piece with a border print and everything there is. This one is a one piece long gown style, simple sober rich royal look with a border print and mirror work over there. So this one is also ML, XL, double XL. In this you will get. I am showing you fast so that I can cover as much as designs as possible. This one is a with dupatta. So basically items with dupatta are costlier. They are more above 500. Below range also comes, but now it's not having. But in this you will not get so much standard big size of dupatta and so much work on this. This basically come from 500 to 600 range. In this two more items are there with dupatta. One this item there, and this dupatta, cotton dupatta. One more this item also there. When you see the item, class, size, quality, everything, number one. This dupatta size also you see. See dupatta size. When they are taking the brands item, when they are taking the rate prices, they give the more better ranges. This is one of the highest selling item. This also come under iconic. So this one is a top. I am showing you the original piece. In these 4 colors you will get. This all are mirror works when you see it. Okay. White heavy Croatia jacket. This usually we have now 8 colors. I am having 4 color piece set. Okay, usually we have 4 color only, to now 8 color. In this slide we have changed the difference also. This is the same. This is on white color. Right. In this 4 white color common will be there. 4 different matching you will get. In this jacket we have made it printed. So when you see the jacket with Croatia we have printed. This one is more 15 rupees costlier than that, because there is a print. This is a long one piece style gown. This one is a not trending item, Bani, and there is a work on that. In this related, you will get many much designs, full handwork with a border print. This one is a class item, border print matching, and jacket on that. So this was all frock style items. There is a much range, but I am showing you little selected only, so that you can get a just idea. This is a class, this type of variety you will get. You will get more better than this also. Not compulsory this, you will get more better than this also. Few time many new items also come, but we can't show in video because as you know that. Now I will show you a little range of our Indo-Western item, so that you can get an idea of short tops, long, medium. Short top. This one is all imported fabrics. Usually these items are made in for imported fabrics more. Should it get much a look, double frill style, then jacket, then belt will also come over here. You can see this is a belt. So in this type also you will get a much range. This one also piece when you see, outstanding design. Fabric also pure modal. Customer can this item use particularly 1 year. The belt over here. And these colors are also outstanding. Pure handwork over here. Simple, super rich look. In this related also you will get many much varieties. You can see this is a belt to tie over here. Neck. In this related you will get many much varieties. This one top. You will get jacket above this. Spider top. Yes. And basically in this short top, in these tops also you will get many much range, but in this I am showing you heavy range from 300 to 500 range. Below this also items are there, but I am not showing you because there is a lot. I don't want to make video much longer, that's why for short and sweet I am saying you. This one is a Georgette item. This one is one of the highest and fastest selling item. Many customers which are connected to us from long time, they all have maybe selling this item. This one is removable jacket. One of the best item. There is a short top range also. In short top range I will show you 5-7 items which I am having right now. So there is a lot of range come under this short top also. Short tops. This one, all our pieces are classic style. When you keep it, this one is jacket about this. This after wearing you have to tie like this. You have button. In this also you will get a many related items. I am showing you just 4-5 items in only in short top, so that you can get an just idea. And many things items, the customer who are connected us on WhatsApp. So basically if you visit store you may get many much items. I will give you our WhatsApp number for wholesalers also, and who want to do retail or personal use they want, I will show you for that also. But for wholesalers you want to do resale, so particularly when you visit store you can enjoy much range, much variety. Everything on WhatsApp is not possible for us also to maintain, because many times we are having only last few sets, 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, so we don't put on WhatsApp, so that customer, if many orders come at a time, we can't fulfill it. So this was Indo-Western short Western range. I am showing you small glance of straight cut items. Straight cut also much variety is there. This one is basically for 305 rupees. For an guidance and for an idea I am showing you. You will get below 300 also and above 300 to 400 also. So this was for an idea I showed you. You can sell this in minimum to 400, 450 compulsory. Because basically our items are different from the market, so you will get a reasonable profit. Full handwork item. Simple, sober, rich look. This one is for 300 only. You can see handwork and everything. But when you compare it to the market, you will get 400, 450 compulsory. If retail any customer is saying, for them I am saying that. Best item. You can see the hands. This one is big size, jumbo double XL size. This one is simple, sober. You can see here, madam. There is much variety over here. Walk over there down. This one is little costlier. So this one is basically brand item. So in this also I am having 1-2 items only right now. But future you will get range also. This one is approx for 495, 500 rupees. In this we have items more, but present I am having 2 items only. So I showed you one from that. And now I will show you Plazo set item. This one top with pencil fit bottom. Now present it is trending. In this you will get many designs right now availability. This one is the one of their most highest selling Plazo item. This come under iconic only. This one is a Plazo. We are having skirt set also right now. So actually video is becoming longer, that's why I am not able to show. But in next video compulsory I will show you. This is the top. You can see bottom gara in this. We are trying to more heavy range start in this Plazo sets also, but we need your support to start. Top gara. This one, in this related you will get many designs. I am showing you a glance 4 items, 5 items max in every range, so that you can get an idea. Now present I will show you feeding item. This one is feeding item. In this you will get many prints, different prints in this. This one over fading over there. In as it is you will get same item in straight cut also. This one feeding over there. In this you will get different prints every time. And this one is an iconic feeding item, means particularly this is too common. So in this our range item which will be slight market different than market. So you can see the RPs and which was down at that piece. So there is a lot of difference in this. This one is iconic. This is zip also. This one also come under iconic only. Handwork over here kata. When you see the sleeves, the dory you have to tie over here at hands. And this one is the zip. You can see zip is not visible, right? When I open it, you can see it. So basically this is iconic feeding, so there is a light different from the market our products are, and faster selling. In this type you will get a many variety. In this is a example variety, but I am having much. I have about whenever you visit the show you will get 400, 500 patterns anytime, compulsory. And I will give you the phone numbers also. From Monday to Saturday we are available. Any kind of doubts you can call on this. After 11:30 to evening 7:30, 8 o'clock we are available. So this is the for calling, you can call on it. If you want for shop, you want bundles, every item example you will get 4 piece bundle like this. And minimum on WhatsApp we take minimum 6-7 sets, compulsory order. Below that we don't take order. So this one is for wholesale, 93919. This one is for wholesale. And if you are a reseller or if you want to for a personal use, so you keep a message on this. They will send you an Instagram link. There you can check many much varieties and you can order over there also. This is a separate department. This comes under us both only, but this is a separate unit, separate building, separate floor. So this you will get many much varieties also. And if you are a reseller, if you say them to add in their groups, they will add you and they will update you too also. Okay, this one comes in a different department, but we are properly here you will get wholesale only, and here you will get every item. If you WhatsApp, send us message on WhatsApp, we will update you. And Sunday we are closed. Sunday completely closed, and morning Monday to Saturday from morning 11:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. we are available. Thank you.